The reason concept is not only a computer tool, it's much more than this. It's holistic concept about the way we communicate each other's and what place has any member of a group in a community. The first more important thing to keep in mind, and every time somebody comes to you and say, hey, there's a wonderful new model of open source program with blockchain and peer-to-peer and blah blah blah, you know, like Bitcoin. Ask yourself, who's running the business? Who has the information, the total control of everybody? One person, a very small group of persons? See what I mean? If you cut this head, everybody disappear. Okay? In the rhythm, you have to cut every head to make it disappear. You know what is a rhizome? It's an organization of roots, vegetal roots, plants like bamboos, all linked with their roots. You cannot suppress one bamboo, you have to suppress all the plantation. The same for forest. Every tree is linked. You know, this is a natural model. Pyramid is not natural. There's a lot to say about this, about God, the representation of religious people of God. But I want to stay focused on this rhythm too. Okay. Rhythm doesn't belong to one person or small group. Rhythm belongs to every member. Every member of a group who puts online public information can access to all the others' information from any member. Every night, like the BBS system was doing in the 80s, every night the database is updated. So, it means all the information I put is accessible inside the rhythm by any member. It means the accounting also. It means any decisions. Any decision must be voted by majority. Listen to this. The rhizome is an organic way of building algorithms. I will detail more in my video how can algorithms reflect the natural taste choices of people, members. Okay? Remember this. The algorithms we know right now with GAFA, with Google, YouTube, etc. are not organic. They are not natural. They are programmed in purpose by Forcemaster through the artificial intelligence. Okay? There are some informations you will never get because of his control, because of his censure. This is the main problem. One of the interest, one of the goals of this rhythm concept is to access to the real information. I don't speak of truth. truth is a relative notion, okay? What is truth for you? Truth without factual information is just interpretation. Truth depends on everybody's interpretation. So, this concept is a bet. I say a bet on humanity skills to make the difference between what is true, what is not true. Okay? So, we'll see the main characteristics of this computer tool. Decentralization, traceability of information, the way it goes and from where it comes, and not asynchronicity. So we could say synchronicity, it means balanced communication between any members. Balanced communication. No priority, like a chief deciding for all the others, a president deciding for all these others, a banker, a psychopath deciding for anybody. You know, everything should be voted, kind of referendum. Natural choices from majority of members will make the algorithms natural, organic reasons, algorithms of reason. Okay, so first thing to always remember when someone speaks about concept like this, say, who runs this business? Where does the money, the power, the attention, the information goes? Who controls? Okay? Take care, we are in the Revelations time. Be very careful of this aspect because there are a lot of false prophets using your upset mind. Revelations are coming, we just need the truth to be free. Okay, this could be the main goal of the rhythm, but for me, the main goal is to encounter my family all around the world, my spiritual family. Okay, I meet nice people fighting for children, for example. But if I don't have the right information, I cannot make up my mind. The truth for me cannot be elaborated with the actual, the current algorithms, you know, because they lie all the time. So, let's see about the three characteristics. Decentralized, it's not difficult to understand. A lot of people speak of decentralized. For this, we have to speak of mutualizations of the host. I mean, with 500 gigaoctane, we can all host the general database on a text format, and we can all access to every information. If we wanna have more details about every information, there will be external host, external links driving you to more heavy data like photos, videos, etc. So okay for decentralized information. No master regulating the flow of information, controlling what is good, what is not good. You know, second characteristic is the traceability. Traceability of information is also very important, because you understood that I get the real information with real people. I'm traveling, I'm meeting my family. And in the rhythm concept, you cannot invite anybody you never met in real life. So this means this organic dimension is the sine qua non condition to access the rhizome inside. Because like a little plant, like a little seed, we have to really care at the beginning, like a child, of how we feed this plant, this organic rhizome. We have to bring good energy. I mean, to care of people, to be bienveillant, empathic with people. There will be trolls. There will be, first, people who don't agree with us. This is normal. But the difference with Yahoo, Google, Facebook, you won't be. Anybody is able to fire trolls. Trolls will stay because we are all trolls. This is democracy. We have the right to say, no, I don't agree. And if people, trolls, come inside the system to make the mess, everyone will have possibility to give less or more approval. So the credibility, the light, you can see the light reflecting appreciations on different topics of his people. The light will reduce or rise up according to the approval of the other members, but nobody will be fired, okay? There will be different layers of conversation. You know, if somebody is interrupting, disturbing the communication between me and you, for example, we can just filter this person and continue speaking. And there will be also different level if we just want only informations This is the highest level information, factual information, basta, no more. Okay? It's a bet on humanity's skills to make up his truth. Everyone is mature enough in this humanity to make up his mind. What is truth, what is manipulation. But we will use peer-to-peer and blockchain or encoded technologies to link directly the source information from the request. For example, hashtag pedocriminality. I have different links, direct source to these people, and I can access to their different witness because it's lived experience from any member. And also with the encoded or blockchain technology, we can follow the way of this information and check if any troll had a bad idea or good idea to mess up, to change the message. Okay? I have to be quick. So this will be detailed on another video. Third condition. It looks a little bit silly, but nobody thinks about this. We call this in computer technology asynchronicity. You say asynchrone in French. Asynchrone means there's difference of priority in the messages according to whom sending the information. If in the pyramid model, the chief, the president of the Republic, if a banker, a GAFA, anybody at the pyramid decide to send message, he will have total priority, and any usual casual number sending his message has absolutely no guarantee to be heard. Of course, it has no impact. I'd like you think about this model of communication. We see a lot of this in San Francisco Bay Area. Fight against this control, this total control. It's called the cooperative form, cooperative models, where anybody has the same weight. I mean, the same vote. Any vote has the same weight. I mean, in the group, like the Kip Gardner, the counter, the director, every vote has the same weight. This is how to fight against not asynchronicity. The model in Rhizome is not asynchronous, so it's the same weight. I mean, an example very easy. In France, we have a president who is a dictator, and all his mafia friends use anti-constitutional laws to control the French people. And that's the same in Germany, in England, in Spain, everywhere. If people have the same weight vote in France, there will be millions of people saying no, and the law will be applied for the majority. So simple. So simple to say, but I know people telling me, no, we cannot let the people, the majority choice because people are not ready, people are not mature, etc. I'm sorry. You are redoing pyramids. If you think that only experts or masters can decide for the group, it's just pyramid. I tell you again, this concept, computer concept, is bet on humanity. The algorithms from the input of the matrix to the answer, the way you will use to go to your question, to this information available from real experiences of people, is just natural, it's just organic. It's not a matter of who knows, who's able to know. Sorry. When this concept will become large and larger, there will be people who don't agree with. There will be people opposite to your philosophy, and it's all right, because if not, it's not. It is not democracy. Okay, this is a bet on humanity. Skills. Okay. This is very logical and easy to think, but nobody thinks about one main problem. This has been told by my friend François Xavier told me. All these nice ideas have no chance to born if we do not control the access. You know? So that's why I will put link already existing groups using different technologies to make communicate locally. It's a fractal organization. Don't forget this. Rhizome concept comes from fractal mathematics theory. So these little groups are already right now in south of France, in Pays Qatar, organizing themselves with CDs, radios, or you can imagine many things like USB keys, people transporting or animal transporting information, etc. But never using the GAFA, the internet access providers like French telecom companies, because they control and they have access to information. And one day or another, they can cut it. The same way they can cut the head of Bitcoin one day or another when cash disappears, for example. So it works. There are thousands of people using this, actually. Okay? So what else? I'm waiting for your contact, approvals, comments. I wish you all the best for these times coming now. These times of revelation. These times of lies revealed. Okay? So, God bless you all. God bless the trolls too. God bless the satanics, because these people really need to face the truth. Namaste.